The appropriation bill by Speaker Therese Terlahi was passed almost 2 years ago. She calls it unconscionable that what was supposed to be an urgent food assistance program during the height of the pandemic has still not been rolled out.
I think to say that there was a delay is really an understatement in this case, because the funding was done in a bill in March 2021. That was supposed to be $5 million. So not only was it delayed, but the law says $5 million. What she received was $3.1 million.
Freshman Senator Tom Fisher was not part of the body that passed the bill, but in questioning Public Health Deputy Director Terry Uggan, he said he can understand their frustration.
We all recognize the necessity of eating, and we all recognize the catastrophe of being poor and unable to feed your family. And it seems to me that the Guam legislature stepped up and said, here's $5 million, please go feed the people. And would you agree that you haven't done that yet?
I would agree that the process has not taken place. I share the same passion that we're trying to get food into people's mouths. I do know that the money was not made available in March of 2021, but we have moved forward since it was made available, I think, in June of 2022.
Uggan says there were delays in paperwork, applications, and finding nonprofits to take on the distribution. And then there's the reduction in funding. $5 million was appropriated, but only 60%, $3.1 million, has been released by the Budget Bureau.
The 5 is very clearly appropriated, and that was based on their calculations of how much we would receive, or savings we would be receiving in refinancing a bond.
Public Health Director Arthur San Agustin.
Well, yeah, so that was all that we were going to get, and we said yes. And I'll just need to talk with the two directors to provide that detailed, more of an explanation about the sale of the bonds and how that translates to revenue that we could have access for this program.
6 applicants have since been approved. Public Health is hoping to finally begin distribution next month, a full 2 years since the emergency food bill was passed. Nestor Lecanto, KOAM News.